Welcome to DelphStack tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change shapes in Draw.io. Changing shapes allows you to quickly update your diagram layout without recreating elements from scratch. First, open your diagram and identify the shape you want to change. For example, click on the shape to select it. On the left-hand panel, browse through the available shapes. Choose the new shape you want to replace the existing one with. Drag the new shape directly onto the selected shape, and once you drop it, the shape will change automatically. To change multiple shapes at the same time, hold the Control key and select several shapes. Then drag the new shape over them and all selected shapes will update at once. And that's it. We selected existing shapes, replaced them by dragging new ones over them, and updated multiple shapes at the same time in Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.